The results are in, and it turns out spending a year in space did change Scott Kelly's DNA. NASA says he and his identical twin astronaut Mark Kelly are no longer genetically the same. Researchers say 7% of Scott's genes did not return to normal after his return to Earth 2 years ago. They think higher levels of carbon dioxide, radiation exposure, and calorie restrictions are to blame. The gene changes could change the way cells operate, but the long-term impact is still not clear. NASA says research like this is needed before we ever send astronauts on 3-year missions to Mars.
As far as physically, I feel good. We have some pretty good exercise equipment up here, but there are a lot of effects of this environment that we can't see or feel, like bone loss, effects on our vision, effects on our genetics, our DNA, RNA, and proteins, things like that. So they can look at that data and look at the data they collect with him over this year, and see what kind of deviations we have on a genetic level, which could be a result of this environment, the weightlessness of the environment, the radiation that we see, and from that figure out other areas we need to investigate so we can eventually complete our journey to Mars and elsewhere.